In this video, we will be discussing about how the logic gate can be implemented using PMOS. So in the previous videos, I have discussed that how you can use the NMOS and how you can create the logic gates using the NMOS, and how you can implement some Boolean expression using NMOS as well. So in PMOS, it behaves exactly opposite to your NMOS. Okay, so how does it behave? So this is the simple logic, diagram for your PMOS. So in PMOS, what happens? One dot will be there inside the near the gate, and this is the drain. Sorry, in this case it will be opposite. So this will be source and this will be your drain. So remember, in the NMOS it was opposite, but in case of PMOS, the drain side will be connected to ground and the source will be connected to plus 5 volt. That is why, because in this case the gate voltage is applied opposite manner, that is compared to the NMOS. Okay, so let us see how does this work again. So if we properly represent the circuit, then this is the load MOSFET. We can represent as a resistor here, and here the drains will be connected. So this is the source, this is the body, and this is the drain. So drain is connected to ground or D, and then gate is connected to input, and this one is internally connected, and they are the source. Okay, and in PMOS, as you remember, so arrow mark will be in the outward direction. So this is plus 5 volt and output will be taken from here. So that is a separate part we will discuss. So let's see what happens if I give the input as 0 volt in this case. So as this is a PMOS, so what will happen if the voltage is given 0 volt? So that means the source, it is less than the source volt, and in this case it will behave as a on. Okay, on means what? So the channel will be created and it will operate. So if you remember in the previous case, so if you see here, for plus 5 volt it was on in this case. Okay, but in case of PMOS it is exactly opposite. So if 0 volt is given, so it will behave as a on circuit. Then what will the circuit become? If I represent as a switch, so they will behave as a short circuit here. So the switch will be closed here, this will behave as a short circuit, and this will be your drain to the ground, and this will be plus 5 volt that is connected to source side. Okay, now if the input is plus 5 volt, again if I take the same circuit here, this is P type MOSFET, and here this is gate, source, and drain. Drain is grounded here. So if gate is connected to a plus 5 volt, so what will happen? So P type channel has to be created. Okay, so if you are giving plus 5 volt, then what will happen? The holes will be repelling, so channel will not be created. So plus 5 volt is given here. In this case it will behave as a off circuit. Okay, so how the off circuit will be? So this will be behaving as a switch that is actually off. So here your plus 5 volt, this will be source, and this will be your drain. So this is how the PMOS behaves. So in the next video we will see how the PMOS can be used to implement the logic circuits.